Hello everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm making a short video that hopefully will help us fix this Google Community problem. I've been working with Dr. Moody quite a bit with this, and I know many of you, including me now, have lost the ability to view other people's posts on Google Community. So hopefully this can fix the issue. So let's see if we can take care of this. I need you to do some things to your current settings. So I'm going to walk you through it. So as you can see, I'm in our Google Community right now. This is VB, but we also have VC. So I'm going to go to Communities, click on the Communities right up here, and I'm going to go to these pancakes over here. And under the pancakes, I'm going to go over here, down here to Settings. And then I'm going to come up here to General. Under General, I want you to make sure that you have these three settings set. Probably some of you might have extended circles, your circles, only you, anybody here, but you need to have mail.fhu.edu selected for all three of these. Okay, once you do that, I need you to go back to Communities and just pick either one, B or C. And then I need you to make a test post. Just come up here and hit a test post. Say, just checking, or this is a test. And you can post it, and I recommend you post it under General. And hopefully once you do that, it will allow us to be able to see each other's posts again. If this doesn't work, your posts don't start showing up for me again, we're going to have you send an email to me with the link to your case study video, so that way I can get it scored. So hopefully this will work. Please do it ASAP and make your post so we can see if it's going to work. So let me know how it goes. I'll talk to you later.